Hello and welcome to Salon Privé, where we as Bell are showcasing two of our aircraft at the event, the Bell 505 and the Bell 407 GXI. First, I'd like to introduce you to the Bell 505 helicopter. The 505 is a single turbine powered by an Arias 2R engine. It's a two-bladed, dual FADEC, fully glass cockpit helicopter. And we'd like just to show you a few of the features on board so you really get to see more about the 505. 505 is a single pilot, 4-passenger helicopter. All seats have great visibility, seats are hugely comfortable, and none of the seats are restricted by bulkheads or pillars. 505 also benefits from a full glass cockpit, the Garmin NXI screens, the latest version. This aircraft also has the Garmin Autopilot, which is available as 2-axis or 3-axis, so it would be pitch, roll and yaw. The 505 gives you great visibility as a pilot and passengers. Super smooth, it's VNE, which is 133 knots. It's just a really beautiful helicopter to be around. Another great feature of the 505 is boot storage. Great to have 5 people on board. If you've got nowhere to put your bags, it's no good. You'll see from the size of the boot on this 505, it will take all your luggage for everything you need. And you can actually now get dual doors on both sides. So if you can't get everything in from this side, we can have an additional door. Now I'd like to introduce you to the Bell 407 GXI. The 407 is your natural step up from the 505. Main differences: 4-bladed rotor head. It's a Rolls-Royce C47 engine. But its main difference is it's a 7-place helicopter, 6 passengers and 1 pilot. And we'd like to talk through a few of the features to show you more about the 407. If you're moving from the 505 to the 407, there are some features on the 407 you'll already be used to. Dual FADEC engine, also fitted to the 505, and the Garmin 1000 NXI screens. Same architecture, slightly more functionality on the 407, a slightly different aircraft. Also available with a 2-axis or 3-axis autopilot. And you'll notice that the cabin is a very slightly different layout, but the 407 is a super fast, glass smooth aircraft capable of 140 knots. What you're buying into with the 407 is this rear cabin. It's a fabulous rear cabin. All seats are superbly comfortable. This particular 407 benefits from the designer interior, the black accents, the diamond stitching. It is a 5-place rear interior, but we also have the armrest if we're just carrying 4 passengers in the rear. We can also have the full-length windows on the doors as well, which give even more visibility.